If you want to start enjoying karaoke on your smartphone, then you will need to install the StarMaker application. To do this, follow these simple steps. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button, and now type in StarMaker to begin your search. Once you find the StarMaker application, tap on it, and you can see the About info, as well as various reviews that have been left by users. In order to install the application, just tap on the Install button. Now you will need to wait for a little while until the installation process is completed. You can also enable the Auto Open toggle, which will automatically open up the application once the installation is completed. Once you open up the application, you can choose your language for the songs or contents that you would like to proceed with. Tap on the Get Started button after making your selection, and now you may use your social accounts, your email address or Google to log in and start enjoying your karaoke application right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the StarMaker application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.